Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 3 signs that your manifestation is coming and that it is on its way. So if you start to see these signs, you can start celebrating, because not only is it definitely coming, it is actually very close. And before we start, make sure you hit the like button and let's get into the video. So the first sign is actually going to be feelings of gratitude or feelings of abundance. Like if something randomly happens and all of a sudden you just have this feeling of warmth or of appreciation for your current reality or your own life, whatever is going on in your current reality, that is a really good sign that you're about to get your manifestation. Because when you are about to get a big blessing, sometimes you will receive it like energetically first, and you will feel the frequencies first before the thing actually comes. And that's kind of the universe way of letting you know ahead of time. So you might start to have sudden feelings of gratitude or feelings of abundance, like looking around and thinking, you know what, I do have a lot of great things in my life. I do have a very blessed and abundant life. And when you start to feel that, when you don't normally, because your normal life probably just feels normal to you, so sometimes we don't realize and we don't appreciate what we have. But something might happen, like you might see something or experience something and it makes you just take a step back and feel like, you know what, I do have more than enough, and I am so lucky and so blessed to have the life that I do have. And whenever you start to feel that way, what's going to happen is you're focusing and you're shifting your energy and your focus onto gratitude, onto feelings of abundance, and where attention goes, energy flows. So when you start to think about things that make you feel abundance or things that make you feel grateful, you're going to attract more things to make you feel even more abundant, to make you feel even more grateful. So that is exactly what's going on. If you randomly get feelings of gratitude for your own life or feelings of appreciation, I randomly will get just like this warm feeling of, you know what, oh my gosh, my life is really amazing. And that's always a great sign to me that I'm about to get my manifestation, or something great, some kind of blessing is about to come in. The second sign is a feeling of a new chapter in your life. And it can be small, sometimes it's big, sometimes it's small. You might just have a feeling of like, you know what, I'm kind of over this. Maybe you're over like your job, maybe you're over your current like situation, your current reality, and you just feel like you've outgrown it. Not in like a weird way where you're like thinking you're better than people or anything like that, but you just kind of feel like you've outgrown it. Like you feel like you've grown, you've moved on from the situation, like mentally and emotionally. That is a sign that you're about to experience a change. And that's because when the mind gets into like a routine, when you get into a routine of your current situation or your current life, it becomes very like automatic and you often don't really think about it. But when you start to get feelings of like, oh, I'm over this, I'm ready for something new, I'm ready for a challenge, in a way you're energetically inviting in a new beginning. And sometimes people will see like 11:11 or 22:22. Some people will see like 12:12 on their clock a lot. Those are all signs of a new beginning, signs of a new chapter in your life. And a lot of the times, these new beginnings will come when you're actually kind of like struggling, or when you feel like you've experienced some kind of loss. Maybe you lose your job, or maybe you lose like a friendship or a relationship that was like really important to you. And maybe it made you feel really sad and down about life and whatever. But whenever these things happen, it's a really good sign that new blessings are coming in. Not only is it like you're just clearing out room, making room for new and better things, but it's also, I heard someone explain this in a really good way, so I'm going to tell you what she said. Her name is Andrea Schulman, by the way. I love her videos. But she said when something negative or like a loss happens, your mind will be so distracted by that negative thing that you won't really be thinking about the things that you're trying to manifest. And because you're taking your attention off of it, what you're doing is you're releasing the resistance and you're kind of letting go, because you kind of forgot about your manifestation since you're so busy dealing with this loss in your life. And because of that letting go of the resistance, that is why you're able to attract really quickly when this happens. Okay, so the last sign, I used to never see this, by the way. And I remember I watched a video about like signs that my manifestations was coming. And this was one of the signs, and I remember thinking, wait, I never see that. So what does that mean? And then since I've watched that video, because the girl literally said, she was like, yeah, you're gonna start seeing butterflies everywhere after you watch this video, I promise. And I was like, no, I literally never see butterflies. And ever since, I've been seeing butterflies everywhere. So butterflies are a really great sign that your manifestation is coming. And if you're like me and you like never see them, because I used to never see them, don't worry, because you're literally gonna start seeing them. I didn't believe it when I watched the video, but it really worked. And not only have I started seeing butterflies everywhere, I've started to get so many blessings into my life and so many like little miracles happening into my life where things just come in and it just feels like it came from nowhere, and it feels miraculous. It feels like a blessing. And I think when your mind is not focused on these things, when you're not looking for miracles and you're not looking for blessings and abundance to come in, then it doesn't. But when you start to look for butterflies, when you start to look for miracles and blessings to come in, it's almost like you're opening the door and you're allowing it to come in. So I hope that you will also, and if you already see butterflies all the time, you probably will start to see them more. And I hope that you will start to get everything that you're looking for. If you guys have any other signs that you love, make sure you share them down below. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you found value in this. And if you did, I trust that you'll hit the like button, comment, and share this with someone who might also find it to be impactful. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!